Almost fell out of my chair. I'm clumsy. Alright, so today, I am also going through some of my childhood things, and I found this little envelope thing. Valley Bank. I don't even know if that exists anymore. I'm not sure what's in the envelope. Could be $1 bazillion. Could be a bunch of shit. We're gonna find out. Alright, let me get comfortable for this. What the hell? Oh my god. Wow. It's a Barbie notepad from like way back in the day. What the hell? That's not all that's in there, but that was one of the things. What? Weird. Okay, what else is in here? I'm so scared what this all is. Okay, it looks like Valentine's. Alright. It's a piece of paper with what looks like to be a waffle drawn on the back with a bunch of hearts. What? Okay. Alright. And, wow. Some Halloween Tiny Toons. What the hell? What? Oh my god. With more Valentine's Day stickers. Okay. Apparently I had an obsession with stickers. But who doesn't? Right? Can't be the only one obsessed with stickers. Alright. No, there's more. There is more. What the hell? I'm a little scared right now. What? Okay. I am looking through this. All this. And it appears to be a bunch of Valentines. You have set my... Wait, hold on. What does it say? You've set my heart soaring, Valentine. From Paul. Who is Paul? I don't know who Paul is. Then we got Beauty and the Beast. You're sweet. This one doesn't have from anyone. I don't know who that's from. Oh, this is one of the stickers from like Aladdin, and like they had a sticker book, and you put like collect different stickers and like make a puzzle. Fuck yeah, it's pretty cool. Another one from Paul. Who is Paul? I'm floating on air. Be mine. From Paul. Paul, who are you? And why do you have so many Valentines to me? As a child, that's creepy. Who the fuck are you, Paul? I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna give you back your Valentines, because that's creepy. And this one says, you're a high-flying friend, Valentine. Again. From Paul. Who's Paul? Oh, this is kind of... I've been thinking of you. Are these all from Paul? Okay, for real, I gotta figure out who the fuck this Paul is, because apparently he's bananas about me. Yeah. Oh, yeah. From Paul. Another one? From Paul. What the hell? You're a real tiger of a friend. I must have been. I don't even fucking remember you. Who are you, Paul? Really? Are all these from you, Paul? What? This is empty. This one's empty. Oh, that's... Oh, hope your day's the coolest. Some more vintage Barbie. You make a great pair. Oh. I dropped it. You make a great pair. But that one's not from anyone. Then another one. From Paul. No joke. What? Oh, here's one. You're a bright spot in our class. Love, Miss Jackie. Yeah, I vaguely remember Miss Jackie. But why is the only other Valentine from the teacher and all the rest are from Paul? This one's from nobody. This one's from nobody too. Your wish is my command, Valentine. Again, from Paul. Who are you? Who's this Paul? Oh, here's another Aladdin sticker. That's really cool. But you know what? Okay, so how many of these fucking shits do I have from Paul? 1, 2. Hold on. What? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I legit have 7 different Valentines from someone named Paul. This is a serious matter, people. If you or anybody you know knows who the fuck Paul is, please let me know. This is or was his handwriting. And he had Aladdin Valentine's Day cards. Maybe you're Paul out there. Maybe you're watching this, Paul. I don't know who you are. I don't know where you are. I don't know what you want from me. Well, I kind of got an idea what you want from me, but what? Why did you give me so many cards? What? Who? Who are you? Where are you? What are you? Why are you? How are you? What? Someone find this Paul for me. Again, here's his handwriting. With Aladdin Valentine's Day cards. I don't know if it says the year. It doesn't say the year on them. But if you or anyone you know knows of this Paul that had Aladdin Valentine's Day cards back in the 90s that gave like 7 different Valentines to the same person. Is this from Paul? Please let me know who you are, who he is. I would like to meet this Paul. Because quite frankly, Paul, kind of creepy. Kind of my style. I don't know. I just want to know who the fuck Paul is. Who are you?